Welcome back to one more amazing workshop on designing. We'll be starting in a few minutes. So guys, don't leave the meeting till the end. In the end, we have a fun activity for you. So please don't leave till the end.
Hello everyone. Do send in the chat how excited are you for today's event. Okay, looks like just Sonu is excited. Do we have even others who are excited for this event? Okay, Hemlata is excited. Who else is excited for today's event? That's great, Satvika. That's amazing, Ashrita. That's great to know, Ujjwala, Pranjani, Soumya.
Guys, Madhvi ma'am is here.
Good evening,
Welcome, Madhvi
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
ma'am.
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 Good evening, all of you.
Thank you for joining us, ma'am. We'll be starting in a few minutes.
Okay, okay.
Chandana Amrita, I think we are good to go.
Yeah, okay, Diksha. So, hello everyone. Good evening. Welcome to the day 2 of today workshop on designing tools. I hope yesterday you all had a good informative session on Canva, and even today we'll have a good session again. So, speakers for today's event are Amruta, Deeksha, and myself, Chandana. So, let us get started with Figma today. Does anyone have any idea about Figma here? Have you used it before? Anyone? You can unmute yourselves. Hey, Malata, no. Okay. Yeah. Have you used it before, Sonu? Okay. So, coming to Figma, Figma is an UI designing application, which means you can design your interfaces, web pages, and etc. And also, you can design logo designing, icon designing, social media posts, which means you can do marketing using Figma. Like you can promote your product using Figma, and much more things. So, let us today see a complete overview about Figma. So, why Figma? It is user friendly. Figma is user friendly because any beginner can learn easily how to use Figma by practicing lot of times. Next, it has best tools, which means you can find really good tools in Figma for designing. Coming to tools, whoever has joined yesterday's meet have heard about Canva tools, right? Can someone say what are the Canva tools? Different types of tools which we have seen yesterday, explained by our speakers. Can anyone unmute yourselves? Or you can even type it in the chat box.
We can use, screens, logos, big emojis.
Yeah, Satvika. You're right. Anyone? Okay. So, coming to the next thing, Figma is cloud based. It is cloud based. Why we are saying it cloud based? Because, for example, while you're working on any design, and suddenly you just left the work and closed the window. What happens? Will the files get deleted? No, not at all. They all will be stored in the cloud. Yeah, Sonu. Yeah, you're right. Thank you. And next thing is auto layout, auto work. Auto layout is one of my favorite things in Figma because it is best used with repeated UI elements like tags, lists, menus, etc. With this auto layout feature, elements rearrange themselves from when one component moved around. It saves a ton of time. Next, let us discuss about advantages of Figma. So what are the advantages of Figma? Coming to the advantages of Figma, it is free for an individual. That means when you're working as an individual and then you can use it for free. But if you're growing, then you need to buy a premium plan in Figma to use many more pro versions of it. The next thing is it is collaborative. That means if you're in a team working on the same design, then you and your co-team members can share your work and work on it. And next thing is Figma is fast and also works on any computer. That means whether you have a Mac, Linux, Windows, anything, you can use Figma on any computer. And it, as I already discussed, it is a cloud-based and online-based application. Means in the world you can log into your account from any corner of the world and save. And also, As I already mentioned, your files will be saved too without deleting. You don't need to worry about missing files. The next thing is enables prototypes. Hello, you can hear me, right?
Yes, yes, Chandra.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, we can hear.
Continue. Okay. So enables prototypes. That means the Figma's prototyping features allow you to create interactive flow that explore how many user may interact with your designs. So these are the main advantages of Figma. So I hope you got a clear explanation about the Figma. Now my friend Amruta will let you explore the Figma tools.
Okay, thank you, Chandana. As she said regarding the introduction to Figma, that is, it is an online collaboration tool that allows designs and developers to edit, comment, and review designs and code together. So now, I will be discussing about the various types that can be used to design an app or a website using Figma. So, Chandana, stop sharing your screen.
Yeah, yeah, sorry.
Yeah. So as you can see, this is the home page for Figma. Firstly, you need to set up your Figma account. Getting started in Figma is as simple as going to www.figma.com, clicking up sign up and entering your details. So when you reach this home page, you will be you if you are already a user of Figma, you can directly log in or else you can sign up over here. You can enter your credentials over here or else if you are fine with your Google account, you can proceed with it. So I'm clicking up my Google account. Yeah, is my screen visible now?
Yes, it is
Yes, Amruta.
visible.
Okay. Uh, as you can see, this is the page for Figma, where you can at the left side you can see your recent that are the recent designs that you have already been done recently, and or also you can also edit them as frequently as possible. So to create a new design file or you wanted to create a new design, you can just click on the new design file. So after clicking on to the new design file, you will be entering into this page where where you can edit all your design tools and edit your all the information prototype that you wanted your project. At the left side, we are able to see the main menu, which we can access different files and edit different files and view vector or text, arrange your text in a different formats, and you can also add your plugins to your project and etc etc. You will be also having libraries. So. Uh, uh, as you can see, this is the frame. The first and foremost thing for your design is a frame. The first basic tool to design is frame. That is, first you need to select your frame and then start designing your project. Suppose you wanted to design a web page, then you need to click on the grid lines that is called frame, and you will be viewing different kinds of frames that you wanted. Those are free iPhone. If you want to frame you want an app for creating designing an app development, you can use iPhone. You have different kinds of formats like iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, or etc etc. So if you want to design a tablet or a desktop presentation, if you want to design an app or and watch also, you can have various kinds of styles over here. Suppose if you are interested in designing a web page, you can just click on the desktop over here. Yeah. So this is the frame for your designing process. This is the basic tool that is need to be done before starting your design. So after after selecting your frame, you can slice your frame. That is what is mean by slicing. It allows a specific a region of the screen for export, even if you are not recognized into a single group. That is, if you want to slice, or if you want to cut only the important part or the specific part, you can just uh, you can just click on the slice and add what are the things that are need to be used. The remaining part will be exported, the remaining part will be deleted. This the selected part or the selected part will be exported. This slicing tool which divides the used part and the unused part. Then when it comes to the shapes, you can add different kinds of shapes like rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, and polygon, star. Or also you can add your images to your design or a project. So suppose you wanted to add a rectangle to your page, you can add like this and drag. Or else you wanted to add a polygon or a star, you can add over here. And these are the some kind of basic tools for designing. And then now comes to the pen and pencil in Figma. So what is a pen and a water pencil? So a pen is a connecting path to closer shapes in order to construct 3D forms in in the same way as you would if you are drawing on a paper. For example, if you wanted to draw a cube in Figma with pen tool alone, you can build your own vector network using a pen tool. Suppose if you wanted to draw a cube like this, you can easily draw like this. This pen tool is used to create a vector networks using a closed shapes and connects paths between two endpoints. Uh, after using a pen, you can also use a pencil, which is like a more like of a normal pencil. It is like actually drawing like a free hand in figurative that requires Figma pencil tool. Can draw lines and shapes freely and easily with your free hand. So after doing frames, after adding the frames and shapes and tools like pen and pencil, you can also add text to your design. Suppose I wanted to add a text. Uh, you can see at the left side, at the right side, where you can have different types of fonts, italic, bold, extra bold, etc. You can add whatever text you are interested. And you can also uh, use the constraints like center or top, or what color do you want, using the RGB format. And stroke size effects also are available in Figma. So if you are interested, or if you want your design or a particular design in your HTML codes or CSS code, you can directly access your codes from here. you can happily create without using a code, and then you can copy this code and also add to your HTML code or CSS code. So after this, after text tool, we have hand tool, that is more like of a mouse, and comes like and another comes add comment, where you can add specific comments to your design. Suppose you are in a team and you are the team member, and if you are interested to add some comment to your uh, a specific member, you can happily add your comment here. What are else to be done? So these are regarding the menu tools, and here we have inspect. As I said, we you can also uh, copy your CSS code from this, and after completion of your complete design or complete project, you will be using exporting. That is, you are sharing your design to different people or different members, or if you are a team leader, you are sharing your project to different members. So how is exporting is in Figma? Absolutely, yes. Uh, Unlimited viewers. You have unlimited viewers that you can invite as many of teammates as you want to view and comment, and you can inspect design files. Any view can grab snippets of your generated code for CSS, iOS, and Androids. The major advantages for exporting in Figma are it can access files. We can access files with anywhere with internet access. So you can share files with a shareable link, and worry-free editing and collaborating with uh, version of history. So this is the basic tools to require. These are some basic tools which are required for designing a project or your prototype. So my friend, I hope you all got a basic idea regarding this kind of tools. So I hand over to my friend Chandana to share the hands-on program with these tools. Over to you, Chandana.
Yeah, thank you, Satvika. Thank you for giving such informative stuff about tools. Let us start designing.
That was very informative, Amrita. Really, we got a brighter insight on Figma, how to use them. So, looking forward for using Figma.
You can see my screen, right?
Ah, yes, it's visible.
Yes, yes, Chandana.
Oh, okay. So, guys, as Amrita explained about tools, so by using those tools, we'll design a template. And today we are going to design a template, a design, or a page, a interface regarding the sign up page. So today we are building a sign up page. Can someone say what are the requirements for the sign up page?
Email? You need email, right?
Hello. Yeah, Satvika, you're saying something.
Yeah, for sign up page, we need email, right?
Yeah,
Or our Google account.
yeah, right. So first we need to select a frame. So let's select a frame. Let's select an Android interface. Now To develop a web app sign up page, first we need icons like related icons which are Facebook, Google, and Twitter, or anything else you want. So let us set up Facebook and Twitter, etc. Okay, let's reduce these pixels to 30. Yeah. Okay, now let us also get the Facebook one. I think there's
Mm.
guys, I just need 1 minute.
Sure, Chandana.
Hello everyone, how excited are you for the hands on session? To get the best experience out of this, we recommend you to open figma.com and try this out yourself while the session is going on so that you actually get a design in your hands at the end of this event. We really highly recommend you to do that because you're going to end up making a small, like a mini project of a design, right? Please go ahead, Chandana.
Yeah, thank you, Diksha. So yeah, let us bring arrange these icons first. So these are the main icons for our sign up page. And let us adjust these pixels so that they'll be in a good size. Yeah, I think, yeah. So for any sign up page, first we need an logo, right? Like app of a logo, logo of an app which we are going to design. For that, let us download. So guys, before that, first to sign up, we need an like password or email input frames. For that, let us use the rectangle frames. Yeah. Now let us type a text here. Log into your account so that from here you can, if you have an account, then you can easily log into it. Otherwise you can continue with Twitter, Google, or Facebook. So this is the model we are going to set up. So let us increase the font size to 30, I guess. Or maybe. I think this will be good. So we use we use these two rectangle boxes. For one is for the username which you have to give, and next one, the below one is for the password. For that, to mention that, to make the user understand, we need to make him understand by creating the text, and we'll change it into color. Sorry. Yeah, I think this will be fine. And we'll do the same thing for the password too. Again, we'll insert a text box, or else you can even copy paste, but we'll use the text box. Let us use the same color for even the text mentioned here. Yes. Right. I think I made it bold. Okay, sorry. Guys, meanwhile, can someone suggest me a logo or an app, a logo for this app? You guys can hear me, right?
Yes, we can.
Okay. I want people, to suggest me a logo so that we can use here.
Kumar is saying what?
What? Okay.
That's one. Guys, we are waiting
Okay.
for your answers. What else logo can you use? Instagram?
Yes, Satvik, I can't hear you,
Hello?
but yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah,
Thunderbolt.
Sono is saying Thunderbolt.
Okay.
What about others, guys? What logo do you want there?
Yeah, guys, you can even unmute yourselves. Anyone? Okay, fine. I'll decide one. You can use GDSC logo. Means I'm asking for the app Hemalata. Maybe a fitness logo. Yeah, Amrita, thank you.
Some college
Okay.
logo. We are getting
We
suggestions
can
that
make a
Okay.
we
fitness app.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys. So let us download a meanwhile you can share your thoughts.
Pravina, can you mute yourself?
Lisa has suggested shining stars logo. Yes,
Hello? Yeah, you can hear me, right?
Yes, we
yeah,
can.
yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, okay.
We got marble logo, shining star logo.
Oh, wow.
What else, guys? What are the logos we can use?
Actually got one logo. Yeah, is this fine? Did you guys like it?
Yeah, it's perfect.
As many of your members said, fitness logo. So here, if you observe, we need to mention log into your account or you may use these. So to mention that, we'll use a text here to divide them. Okay.
Hello?
And let us, yeah,
Uh, Shashikana has a doubt that why don't you go with the watermark?
okay, wait a minute. Why don't you go with a mark, watermark? Watermark, really? I can't find any watermark. Can you explain, Shashikumar? Yeah, right.
Yeah, so I just want to weigh in on this. So, this is not a PPT, right? So, this is basically, you can imagine it as an app screen. So, generally, you must have heard of prototyping and designing, right? So, when you're going to create some designs for your app, that your app screen should particularly look like this, or your website screen should particularly look like this, then usually you go with the Figma tool, right? It's not just about these, but the main reason why you use it is for creating designs or prototypes, right? So, coming to PPTs, they are a completely different concept. PPTs are just for presenting your designs or ideas, right? So at that point, you use maybe like Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint. In that case, maybe you can go with watermark. Even in that cases, if you have a logo of your own, then you use that logo as a watermark for that PPT so that nobody else can copy your presentation, right? I hope that your doubt is cleared, Sashi Kumar.
Yeah, thank you so much, Diksha. So, guys, I hope you got a brief idea about how to create an interface or a sign up page for a web app. Now, I would like my friend Amruta to conclude.
So you have seen that using all the tools like text and pen or pencil and different kinds of frame, this hands-on program is done through those tools. Because of those tools you can happily create your design whatever you want. So are you interested in quiz, small quiz regarding all these kinds of stuff? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Shashi Kumar. Yeah, sure. Sonu.
That's great, Sonu. You have made a design now itself. That is great to hear. You are most welcome to share your screen and share your design to all of us that you have created just now. That's pretty amazing. Congrats for creating your first screen and thank you for
Wow,
being so
Sonu.
active and learning simultaneously. Yes, yes, it is visible.
It's very impressive, Sonu. Truly, it's very impressive and it's a very nice logo what you have done.
That's amazing, Sonu.
Thank you for sharing it with us, your work. Really appreciative. Yes, Amrita, please go ahead.
So, are you all ready for Kahoot game?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
We want responses. Come on, guys.
Come on, guys.
Also, everyone do stay on the call till the end because the form link for the certificate is going to be sent somewhere in between. So please do stay till the end.
Are everyone up for the quiz? Come on, guys, this will be a fun one. You will get even knowledge and it will be really fun by attending this quiz. So, is everyone up for the quiz?
Fill your Josh in messages, or also you can
You can
mute
unmute
yourself.
yourself or you can chat it. You can keep your views in the chat box. Come on, guys, we need review.
So, how excited are you for the Kahoot quiz? Do use the chat box to give all your creative thoughts.
Give a rating from 1 to 5.
Guys, should we
We
play a
don't
game?
want quiz. We're all not interested
It's
in
not
quiz.
like GK quiz. Now, what you have attended on Figma, it's a basic knowledge quiz, and it would be fun. Trust me.
The winner is going to get a special certificate from us.
Ooh, that's interesting. So, guys, how many are up for this quiz?
Wow.
Rona is ready. Anyone else? Come on, guys.
Come on, guys, put your lick symbols, fire symbols, any
Any symbols,
attractive
whatever
symbols,
symbols you like, you can
emojis.
put. can give any
We need a
symbol,
flow of
whatever you want.
messages.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go Kumar. So,
Harshita, can you share your screen?
shall we start?
Huh.
Okay, guys. Everyone has an idea what is Kahoot. So just open Kahoot in your system or phone. I will be sharing the code. Enter that, and you can join for the game. I'm sharing the code.
Sooner you'll be filling a form, so you'll get a mail. The certificate will be sent to your mail.
So guys, is my share screen? Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, your screen is
Yes, sir.
clear.
So that's the code which is given to you. Just enter with it. Then you will be entering into the room. Okay, you already got a participant. Yes, say. Fill it. Then you can start the game. The Kahoot link is given in the chat box. You can log in with it and join by entering the code which is shown on the screen. Come on, guys. Only 2 members of let's. Wow, what I mean. Someone. I really want to know where is that someone. Serious. Let's say to someone. Okay. No need to say. It's just for fun. You have no idea. Okay, so you have no idea.
Come on, guys, join fast.
Yes,
Prince.
see.
We
Wow.
literally have 54 people here, and there are very less who are joining. Please do join, everyone. Let's have some fun.
Even I can see very cool names. Princess, Angel, Pinky. Yeah. Kahoot. Some someone. Who is someone?
Kahoot. Wow.
Kahoot. It's a
Someone
nice
has said
name.
Kahoot.
Let's go creative and crazy with the names as well. Let's have some fun,
Yeah.
everyone.
You have no ID. Hey,
Okay, guys.
That's not
I'm gonna
me.
start the game. I'm gonna start the game. Oh, we are getting people. Come on, come on. Please.
eighth wonder. Who is this?
Eighth
That's
wonder.
amazing.
Minion.
I mean, the creativity that we see in the names.
Yeah.
Minion. I love minions.
Come on, everyone. We'll just wait for 2 more minutes and then we're gonna start. So do join fast.
There is another wonder. There are 55 members. Come on, join.
Come on, guys.
There are 55 members and there are only 23 playing. That's not
Yeah.
fair. Come on, everyone. At the end of the session, we will be sending you a certificate link and then you can register. So don't
Actually,
worry about certificate at all. Please do play the game, right? And as I have told before, the winner is going to get a special certificate.
see, guys, you're gonna get a special certificate as well as a participation certificate. So come on. We have 54 members and there are only 23 members. Like not even half. Come on.
Who
Who
is
is he? Not Diksha for sure.
Yes, it's not me.
Diksha.
Yeah, yeah.
Because your voice is not clear.
Nene.
Are we good to start, or is anyone else going to join us? We still have people joining. We will wait for another 1 minute. The last minute that we are going to wait, please do join fast.
Yeah. That's great. Everyone to join. It should be fun.
We do not have even the half of the people who are present here. There's no wrong in trying, right? You can all try. It is going to be fun.
This well, that's a different name.
So we will start when the count reaches to 30. So please join everyone. We are 27 currently.
Uh,
29. The last
we are
person needs to
29.
join.
Come on, one more. Yes, Vaishnu, you can also play. You join.
Anyone who doesn't know the questions already can play.
Yeah.
Come on, everyone. We
Then
need
who
two
will
more
join
people to
first?
join.
29. I think I know who is that.
Last person, please do join so that we can start. Yes, of course, more people also can join, but then the minimum criteria is 30. So, one more person, please do join.
Come
Yes,
on.
anyone with internet can join. One more person.
Wow.
Other people, please
One
don't
more
leave.
song.
Please don't leave. Others. One more person, please join fast. Okay, I think no one else is going to join. Let's start.
Yeah. Give
Yes.
a minute. I'll be starting. 1 minute.
29. More one person.
One more.
Come on, guys.
Yes, it's 30.
Hello.
Let's
Yeah.
let's start.
30.
Let's
30,
start.
30. Start.
Yeah, starting.
Start, start. So everyone ready?
How
3,
excited are you?
2,
Send it in the
1.
chat.
1. Started.
There you go.
So who is going to
Come
answer
on,
this
guys.
question first?
Satvika, do not show the screen, answer screen. Just show the questions.
Yeah, I'm only showing the question screen.
Fast. 1. Time up. Oh,
Okay.
12
Some of
members
them are right.
given the right answer.
Okay. Okay,
Lead
lead is at the lead.
is with the top
Lead is
score.
leading actually.
Yeah,
Lead is
lead is
leading.
Lead is
followed by
leading. Wow.
TDR and Dilsha.
Next, Pentina and Srivalli. Okay. Here we go with the next question. So to create a password block, which tool did we use? Come on, guys. Answer it. 18 of them gave the answer correct. That's great. Again,
Okay. Oh no, the
again
leadership
lead is leading.
positions has changed.
The lead is leading again, and in second and third there are some changes. We have Dilsa in the second
Dilsha in
position,
second and
Pentina in the
Pentina
third,
in third.
TDR in the fourth, and Srivalli in the fifth.
Come on,
Okay, no
everyone. It's
problem.
time to improve your game.
Here we go with the third question.
Does Figma save your files when you exit the window?
Let's see what is the predicament.
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
26
26
of
of them
them
gave
gave
the
the right
correct.
That's
answer.
amazing, everyone.
Reed is leading again, and we have eighth wonder in the thing, and in the scoreboard. In the scoreboard, we have eighth wonder as a new entry. That's great. Here we go with the next question.
How many sections do we have on the designing page? Let's see the answer now.
Only 11.
That's okay.
So
Come on, try.
That was a
Next
good.
time.
let's go with the leaderboard. Again,
Eight,
lead is
eighth
leading,
wonder is
and we
coming.
Lead is
have
leading with the first position.
eighth wonder is coming up. That's great. Here we go with the next question.
What is the use of slice tool in
Come on,
Figma?
guys. We have 5 seconds left. Everyone, do answer it. There are too many to answer. Okay.
Oh,
13
13
on.
of them gave the right answers.
That's great.
Okay.
Nice.
Lead is leading again. We have Dilsra.
We have
And
Vidya
Vaidyana
again
with a
back with the
Hansel
point.
streak
Vayana
of
with
That's
5.
5.
That's amazing.
that's it. Here we go with the next question.
Okay.
I
The
think
tool which
pretty.
builds vector networks.
I think this is pretty easy.
Come on, everyone, give all
Yes,
your
it
answers.
is.
Come on, come on.
Okay.
And
Here we go with the points again. There we go. Lead is leading again, and PDL is back in the form.
I want to
He's
know who
back to
this
second
lady is at the
position.
end of the game.
Yeah, even I want to know. Okay,
We are very
here we
excited.
go.
Me too. On the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go with the seventh question.
Basic tool to design in Figma.
I request everyone to mute yourselves if you're not doing it.
Okay,
17 of them gave the right answer.
let
Good.
maximum right answers. Let's check with the leaderboard. Again, lead is leading, and we have the same position. Okay, let's guys. This is the last question of the quiz, so be attentive. You might there may be a change in the places, so there you go.
Figma tools are very efficient. True or false? So,
Come on, guys. 3, 2, 1. There you go. 27 of them gave correct
27.
answers. That's great. Here we go with the final leaderboard.
Podium.
And we have the winner as PDR in the third position. Great one, PDR. Dilsa in the second position. That's nice. And we have lead who has
Leading.
won the quiz. Wow, that's
Wow.
great. And the
Please,
others are,
please do send all your details in the chat box
Congratulations.
so that we can send you the appreciative certificates.
yeah, and the runners up
Yes.
are Dilsa and Quintana. Even we want to know who is that.
Yeah, we want you to on your cameras and say hello.
Yeah. So that's the end of the quiz.
May we know who is lead?
Now please do open your cameras as we want to know who are they.
Lead,
Four
Dilsra,
belongs to
and
Vamsi. Maintenance really are Vamsi. Like seriously Vamsi?
Sorry, we didn't get you. Four belongs to you. Okay. Who was
Like
first? Who was
lead
lead?
lead is Vamsi, Dilsa is Vamsi, Santana is Vamsi,
Okay.
even is also
So he grabs the first and third prizes both.
yeah. PDR I think I know who it is.
Okay.
Dileshwar, I think. PDF.
Okay. Okay, great. We will send you the appreciative certificates. And please do post the actual like participant certificate link here so that all of our participants can, uh, actually give their entries. I request Amrita to just send the form link here. So just
Okay.
hold on for a few minutes, everyone. We are at the end of the session. Just let us know how much, in a rate of 1 to 10, did you like this session so that we would be able to give you more such sessions. Okay, 9, 10, 9, 10.
Thank you,
Wow.
Shashi Kumar.
Thank you so much, guys.
So
We
much.
love you, Pavina.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So I'll just send the link in just a minute.